Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 6th May 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks and news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. We begin by first taking a look at Nifty. Nifty opened higher today before trading within a range with a slight negative bias, but scripted a stellar recovery in the afternoon session. The NSE index closed higher by 1.24% or 298.15 points to end at 24,330.95. The gains seen today were led by a sharp correction in crude oil prices amid easing geopolitical tensions, passing of the Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme 5.0 that provides liquidity support to businesses affected by the West Asia conflict and strong global cues. Banking, financial services, auto and realty gained over 2% each as they were buoyed by the passing of ECLGS 5.0 by the cabinet. IT was the only major sector that ended in the red, albeit mildly. Volatility took another dip, thereby supporting bullish sentiment in the short term. Supports after today's rally may be readjusted upwards to 24,185 followed by 24,000, while resistances will be at 24,360 followed by 25,525. With volatility taking a dip and Nifty slowly moving towards the positive end of its consolidation range, a bullish view may be taken, especially if crude prices continue their correction. Tomorrow, we can expect range-bound trading to continue with a slight positive bias. The bulls will be back in business if 24,660 is breached in this rally, while a reversal and a breakdown below 23,555 could ruin the party and bring the bears back in action. Let us now move on to our view on how SENSEX behaved today. The BSE Index 2 gained 1.22% today to end higher by 941 points to close at 77,959. Supports may now be moved up to 77,405, followed by 76,860, while resistances may also be moved up to 78,020, followed by 78,740. The bullish momentum seen today will intensify further if 79,360 is breached on the upside, while the bears can be seen dominating below 75,870. Next, we will take a look at the levels for crude oil. Given Trump's pause of the Project Freedom operation, tensions seem to be easing for now in the Middle East, which sent crude prices tumbling. Multiple levels of supports were broken today thus far in MCX, and volatility too spiked considerably, thereby pointing towards wild price swings on either side. Supports after the correction will now be at 8,700, followed by 8,440, while resistances in case of a reversal to the buy side will be placed at 8,880, followed by 9,150. As of 4 p.m., trend for crude seems to be extremely bearish, with chances of prices correcting even further if positive breakthroughs are made in the West Asia conflict. Any fresh escalations may send the energy counter spiking again, so strict stop losses should be maintained. The commodity can be expected to regain its bullish momentum if 8,880 is breached once again on the upside, while a break below the latter, resistance placed at 8,440, will favor the bears. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. SRF shares surged around 9% after the company reported a strong Q4 performance, with net profit rising 11% year-on-year to 582 crore rupees. Investor sentiment was further boosted by its 2,300 crore rupees investment plan in Odisha, signaling long-term growth expansion. KPI Green Energy jumped nearly 11% after delivering robust Q4 results, with net profit soaring 49% and revenue growing 40% year-on-year. The company also announced a dividend, adding to positive sentiment around its strong operational performance. Raymond Realty hit the 20% upper circuit after a solid Q4 show, with profit rising 44% year-on-year and strong sales momentum. The sharp sequential improvement in profitability further fueled investor interest, driving the stock sharply higher. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that a free webinar on the topic Super Trend plus Liquidity Strategy for Nifty Options will be conducted this Saturday at 12 p.m. Do check the description for the webinar link. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.